Hey guys, so I have kind of a fun activity for you to do at home today. You'll probably want to do it on the next nice day because you will need to spend a little bit of time outside. But today we're going to take a look at the classic Mentos and diet soda explosion. I'm going to show you how that works with my sidekick Boone. We're going to do that for you outside. And I also show you how to create the little apparatus that you would hold the Mentos in before you pull the pin, allowing them to fall into the soda. So take a look.
When you do this, you do have to use regular Mentos that come in this packaging here, not the ones that come in the box. And you can buy on Amazon like an apparatus that's made for this demo, but I just took a piece of a paper towel roll and just rolled it a little tighter, and I'm holding the bottom together with a matchstick, and you can just pull that out when you have it over the soda bottle to release all the Mentos into the soda at once.
Okay, so I did only buy one bottle of soda and one package of Mentos when we did that. So you'll notice that the spray doesn't go quite as high as it can. That's because little Boone, when he pulled the pin, he kind of pulled it upward and some of the Mentos got stuck. So it didn't, all of the candies didn't go in. I was kind of finicking with it for a second after the initial pull, but you can see very clearly that he still got a big kick out of it. Now, what I would suggest doing to further this, now you will have to, unfortunately, maybe venture out to purchase a couple of materials the next time you go grocery shopping. I personally, and I've never done this before, so this is something that I'm actually curious to do. What you might do, and please share it with me if you do try this. I would try it with different types of soda, and I would try it actually with, it does work the best with Mentos, but I would try it with different kinds of candy, and I would actually even try crushing the candy up before you have it drop in. Because in theory, according to collision theory, if you increase the surface area of something, that is, you crush it up into smaller pieces, it can react faster. So, for example, this is why you might have heard, like if somebody is unfortunately prone to having a heart attack, they will tell somebody to take aspirin when they can feel like symptoms of a heart attack coming on. But they'll tell them not to just take it, but to chew it first, which sounds gross. But that's so that the medicine, activates in the body faster because they've got it crushed up. So instead of reacting from the outside down in, you already have it in powder form. And so those pieces are much smaller, and so they react faster. So that might be an extension to this activity that you can do at home to play around with it a little bit. The other thing that I want to make sure I mention is, why does this happen at all? A lot of people think that this is a very chemical process when actually it's physical. So when you carbonation in soda is from dissolved carbon dioxide that's in there. And the way that they get it to stay dissolved is that it's under an enormous amount of pressure inside of there. That's why, like, if you haven't opened the 2-liter bottle yet, it feels very hard. When you open the top, all of those dissolved gases become undissolved. So what happens when you drop those Mentos in this particular example, the outside of Mentos are not smooth. They're actually quite bumpy. And that gives an area for it. It kind of draws the dissolved carbon dioxide to that area. So it stimulates the dissolved gases to come out of solution faster. And so because they're coming out so quickly, that makes it so that it happens almost all at once, and you get that explosion because all those gases are trying to all get out at the same time. This is why you would not want to puncture the side of a pressurized container, because as soon as gases see an opportunity to escape a pressurized scenario, they're going to take full advantage of it, and that leads to an explosion. And in this particular example, it's out of the top of the soda bottle, and it takes the liquid soda with it because it happens so quickly and with so much force. So that's what you're seeing here, which is why I think that it would work with a number of different candies. Mentos just happen to be nice because they're heavy, they drop right down in. So if you do try it with other candy, or you do try it with other soda, take a video of it, please share it with me, let me know how it goes, and have fun with this.